In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes and suggest edits in Google Docs. This is a great way to collaborate with others on your documents without fear of making irreversible changes. First, let's take a look at the upper right corner of your Google Docs screen. You'll notice three distinct modes here: editing, suggesting, and viewing. Each of these has its own unique function. Editing mode allows you to make direct changes to your document, perfect for when you want to incorporate edits without leaving a trail of suggestions. Suggesting mode is what we'll focus on today. It lets you propose changes rather than making them outright. This mode highlights your edits as suggestions and keeps the original text intact until accepted or rejected. Lastly, we have viewing mode, which is essentially a read-only mode. This is useful when you want to safeguard your document from any accidental changes while reading through it. Switching to suggesting mode is easy. Click on the pencil icon and select Suggesting from the drop-down menu. Once you're in suggesting mode, there are four main types of suggestions you can make: replacements, deletions, additions, and comments. Let's start with replacements. Suppose you need to change a sentence or a word. Simply highlight the text you want to modify, then type in your new version. Google Docs displays your change in green text while crossing out the old text so that everyone involved in the project can easily see what has been altered. Next up, if you need to delete something, just highlight the words and press the delete key or backspace on your keyboard. Don't forget, you also have the option to add a comment to explain the reason for the deletion, which can be very useful for clarifying your thought process. For adding new text, click exactly where you'd like to place your new words, type them in, and they will appear enclosed in green brackets. This visual cue makes it simple for collaborators to spot new additions. Plus, if you want to notify a specific team member, you can tag them by typing the plus sign followed by their email address. This way, they'll get a notification about the new suggestion. Lastly, there's the option to add comments. You can highlight any portion of the text, click the comment icon at the top, and leave your feedback. Remember, comments can be quite flexible. Edit them if you need to make tweaks, delete them when they're no longer relevant, or link directly to them for targeted discussions. When it comes time for your collaborators to review your suggestions, they'll have the option to accept or reject each one. Additionally, the comments history feature is incredibly handy, allowing you to see all past feedback, revisit old suggestions, or keep discussions open until everything is resolved. These tools are incredibly useful for making collaboration smoother and helping teams work together more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips.